Hello everyone. So you've got to write a term paper and you're not sure where to start? Well, start here because you're at the right place. So let's take a look at what this presentation is. It is a almost comprehensive collection of information that you're going to need to write your term paper. And so the first thing I would do would be to bookmark this so that you can come back to it and consult it frequently. Let's take a look at how this works. Table of contents, and you can see that you've got at least 20 separate items, things that you need to know about for how to write your term paper. And the style here that we're dealing with is MLA, which is a pretty safe bet for the social sciences. Later on, you might need something a little more specific when you get to university, but for now, learn how to use your MLA style for citation and works cited page and all that stuff. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, again, you're at the right place because you'll learn about it right here. So, for example, if you want to know about what's up with the introduction, how do I write an introduction, you can click on this slide here, number 17. And when you're here, you'll see that there is sort of the most sort of basic steps of how to write an introduction. Most of this you probably already know, but careful because it's not as intuitive as you think it is. And for the not as intuitive as I think it is part, always click on the links that are on the slide so that you can go out of the presentation and look at what it is that I'm recommending that you read. And each slide has got a link back to to the table of contents. What's really important, well, it's all very important, but you need to do this properly. You need to make sure that your in-text citations, your parenthetical citations are done properly. You need to understand what paraphrasing is. You need to make sure that you absolutely don't accidentally plagiarize. So understand why and when you need to cite and how you cite. It's all here for you folks. So bookmark it. Go back to it often, invest in the process, and you will have a much better paper. Good luck.